At PETROHOLOD, the craft of making ice cream in cones involves precise filling, ensuring a delightful treat. The company employs state-of-the-art equipment to ensure consistent quality and an appealing presentation. Similarly, the creation of ice cream on sticks at PETROHOLOD entails meticulous molding and freezing techniques. Throughout the process, from stick insertion to packaging, they combine automation with a keen focus on detail. Introducing an innovative tomato paste machine capable of processing 200 to 400 kilograms per hour efficiently. Revolutionize tomato preparation by swiftly separating cores and peels for boiling readiness. The Progressa bread produces without residues in the smallest of spaces. With it, a wide range of bread products can be produced extremely weight-accurate and very gentle on dough. Due to the minimal use of oil and its outstanding hygiene properties, the line can be cleaned quickly and easily. With its innovative design, this line accommodates various dough types while maintaining quality. Experience benefits such as pressure-free dough formation, substantial processing power, and efficient cleaning. The C230 pasta dough sheeter adeptly manufactures versatile pasta sheets and various cut shapes. La Monfarina P50 double vat pasta extruder is ideal for high-volume restaurants and retail pasta production. As for the Monosfolia ravioli maker, it creates handmade-style ravioli. Craft single-sheet ravioli, achieving a homemade appearance with machine-made precision. DSI Dantec plate freezing solutions optimize poultry freezing, cooling, and heating processes. Vertical plate freezers ensure rapid freezing, maintaining food quality and safety. These freezers are versatile and suitable for various produces like meat, seafood, and vegetables. The innovative double contact freezing method is 30% faster than traditional blast freezing. With 4 freezer series, capacity and batch size are tailored to production needs. The AS6 is an apple peeling and slicing machine that automates apple preparation with speed, safety, and versatility. It adeptly manages peeling, coring, and slicing, accommodating up to 900 apples per hour. Designed for high-care industrial processing, it offers automatic operation and various cutting tool options. The PL1D semi-automatic peeling machine handles melons and pineapples, with added pineapple coring capability. Regardless of size or shape, it efficiently peels fruits, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Featuring a stainless steel structure, all components are easily replaceable, meeting food safety standards. Equipped with adjustable fruit and blade speeds, the machine can process up to 360 fruits per hour. The next machine is PL 4th Avenue, a 4-station machine designed for oranges and kiwis. Dolce Patagonia crafts milk chocolate alfajores through a meticulous process of chocolate coating. They layer biscuit sandwiches with dulce de leche, then coat them in milk chocolate. The final step involves careful packaging to preserve the alfajore's freshness and quality. Here's how you can transform grated cocoa into artisan chocolate with high margins and quality, under your creative control. Essential equipment includes a melangeur, vibrating sieve, tempering bowl, and molds for your chocolate venture. Once you've readied the base, employ the guitar candy slicer for accurate cuts. Following the cut, coat it in chocolate again and allow it to dry. The high-pressure popcorn maker, crafted from stainless steel, efficiently produces delicious popcorn. This machine combines durability, catering perfectly to the popcorn production needs for commercial use. Sawing machines play a vital role in the food industry, notably in butcher shops and meat processing facilities. The Z450 juice extraction unit extracts juice from various citrus fruits while minimizing essential oil content. Its rotary filter ensures continuous removal of pulp and seeds, depositing them into a stainless steel drawer. Designed for easy cleaning, the machine's parts are easily removable for convenient maintenance. The feather plucking machine automates feather removal, enhancing poultry processing efficiency and quality. Designed for chickens and similar-sized birds, it maintains product quality while saving labor. This user-friendly machine operates on a single-phase system, simplifying its usage and maintenance. Minipan's O-Modich 600, an entry-level shaping machine, offers versatility and flexibility for bread snacks. With enhanced optional fittings, it allows virtually unlimited shapes and dimensions for products. Ideal for creative bakers, it integrates seamlessly with various bakery automation systems for streamlined production. Join us to explore the automated wonton production process, showcasing precision and adherence to hygiene standards. Witness how advanced technology handles dough preparation, filling, folding, and shaping wontons seamlessly. Experience the innovation ensuring rapid, uniform, and safe manufacturing at CP Group's automated production line. From dough preparation to packaging, observe the process of delivering flavorful wontons for soups or appetizers. The Fresh Meat Mooncake production line crafts traditional mooncakes with savory meat fillings. This specialized line ensures consistent quality and high-speed production.